This is coding bat Java string 2 doubleChar. Given a string, return a string where for every char in the original there are two chars. So for example, if we pass in the, we get two t's, two h's, and two e's. If we pass in AABB, we get four a's and four b's, which is double of each character. So there's two a's for that, two a's for that, two b's for that, two b's for that. Hi there gives us two h's, two i's, two dash, and then two t's, h, e, r, and e's. So we basically want to duplicate every character in the string. So to start, we could use a string and create a new string as our result here and start appending or concatenating the characters from the string that gets passed in. However, we're going to use a string builder so that we're more efficient, because a string builder will not have the memory leaks that concatenating multiple strings will have. So we're going to create a string builder. I'll go ahead and call this result, and we'll set that equal to a new and instantiate a new string builder right there. Alright, once we've got this, this is what we're going to use to, we're going to loop through the characters in the string that gets passed in to our string parameter, and for each character we're going to append two of them to our string builder result. That way, when we call string builder.toString on result, we will have a string that has two of each characters in that order. So for our loop, we're going to go ahead and say for, and use a traditional for loop, int I equals 0, while I is less than the string that gets passed in, our parameter right here, string.length, which is a method. When we do arrays, it's just a property. So we don't have to have the parentheses. But when we're looping through a string, length is actually a method, so you have to call with the parentheses at the end to call that method. I++, we're going to increment until we get to the end of the string. So what are we going to do for each character? Well, we're going to take our result string builder, and we're going to call the append method, and we're going to pass in that character. So we have to reference our string, and then there's a method on the string called char@, which returns the character at any given index. So the index we want to look at, the one we're concerned with, is I, whatever index we're on for that iteration. So in the beginning it will be 0, which is the first character, and then it will be 1, 2, 3, all the way to just before the string length, which will be the last character in the string. But we don't want to append it just once. We want to append it twice so that we get the duplicate feature that the prompt is asking us for. So we'll write the same line of code twice. Char@ I, there we go. Then at the very end we can go ahead and return our string builder result .toString, like that, and run it. And we can see that all the results for the test pass. So we loop through the string and we just add two of each character to our string builder and then return the string builder toString at the end.